Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel a ChatGPT Plus subscription. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to log in into your OpenAI account. So click on login. So once you are here, you simply need to select the API, click on your personal and go on to the help. So once you are here, you simply need to click on billing. Okay, and here you can see a chatbot. Click on that and click on message and click on home, and here you can see that I asked a question about the billing, and for this you simply need to go on to your my account like this, and here on my account you can see your subscription like this. You can subscribe for ChatGPT Plus, and then you need to click on manage my subscription. Once you click on here, you can see that you can redirect to a Stripe checkout page where you can select cancel plan. So this is a process by which you can cancel a ChatGPT Plus subscription. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.